All right, prime time. Here's the video to randomize our teams for. Let me start over here where you can see it. For bat break number 3 tomorrow night with this is for the Ohtani and Pujols bat series. So we will check the time here is January 29th at 9:41 p.m. And we will type live. And we have January 29th at 9:41 p.m. Here's our list of 30 Major League teams. We're going to randomize this list, match it back to our entry list, and that determines who gets what teams for tomorrow night. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. So we'll get the list posted here. You guys can trade teams until tomorrow night, and then we'll see you for the break.